guys, my new video. So today this video will be about web page. So I'm going to start reading the questions. It says we are going to create a web page and edit a style sheet for Tawara gaming computers. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. All colors codes must be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. So first it says create a new folder called TGC. So I've already done that. Okay, so it's here. I go to my work area. In this case, it's my desktop. So it's here. If you don't know how to do it, okay, in your work area, you go to new folder and create. Okay, then you write and yeah. Then you have to locate all the files. So it's done. Okay. Then display the contents of your TGC folder showing the folder name, all file names, extension, image dimensions, and file size. Then you have to take a screenshot showing all of this. So you go to your work area in your folder TGC, okay, and what you do, like if you don't know how to do it, okay, in your touchpad, I know this way because I'm more like confident to do in this way. Okay, so in your touchpad, what you do is with your two fingers, okay, you try to zoom, okay, like this, okay, as you can see, and you get in this point that they want because if you know the extensions, okay, extensions of these, then the dimensions, the image dimensions, okay, here is of the dimensions, okay. So basically it's just like with your two fingers, okay, but if you know to do in another way, okay, it's good. So and if you know like other ways to do, okay, more efficient, okay, more easier, okay, tell me in the comments, okay. So let's continue. uh we have to take a screenshot, okay. So I'm going to take all of this, okay, it's better. So yeah, it's done. Then we go to our evidence, okay, and we write evidence one, okay, and we place it, okay. So yeah. And the next question says create a web page called TGC HTM. This web page must work in all browsers and will have a table structure as shown below. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 rows and 1, 2, and 3 columns. Okay, so they say each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixels. The letters and dimensions shown in the table must not appear on your final web page. The table shows the spacing between in cells which set when your cell sheet is edited in step 10. The table borders must not appear on the final web page. So here first we go to our uh, Microsoft Expression, or you go in your package, okay, to do this, okay. Then you go to file, okay, okay, and you have to save as, okay, to call your web page TGC, okay. I'm going to write, okay. I will set in my TGC folder, okay, and save. Okay, it's done. Okay, then we go to table, okay, more options, and here this part will be like one, two, three, and four, okay, four rows and three columns, okay, as you can see, one, two, three, and here it's very important this part. Okay, so 750 by 100. Okay, so you go to here. Oh, don't forget that these pixels, okay, by height will be like pixels, okay, then this part here will be, I will merge these two, okay, right click, then select, modify, merge, okay, then you right click, go to cell properties, okay, specify width and height. So here will be 260 and 470. Okay, then 260. Let me see one thing. In cell properties, yeah, is in pixels. Okay, then I go to this cell here, so properties, and here will be 260 to 55, 25, sorry. Okay, then two. Okay, these three will be the same. Okay, sorry, these six cells will be the same. So what I do is I will select all of this, and I right click. I go to cell properties. Okay, so width size 2, 5, 85. Okay, select it. Then I okay, and yeah, as you can see, it's done. And this part here will be merged. Okay, so I go to modify, merge cells, and just confirm it's okay. Okay, 750, 750 by 100. Okay, so now our table is done. Then we can continue. Okay, in cell A will be Tawara gaming computers. Okay, so I will select Control C, and here Control V. Then it will be H1. Okay, then shall be the logo to 2031. Next, we have to place the cell B. Okay, this image, the logo. Okay, so we right click. Sorry, we go to insert. Okay, insert picture from file. Okay, then we go to our folder. Then they say the logo, so it's this insert. So alternate text will be like logo, and okay, yeah. Then here we have next. We have to place these three image, but they say that it's placed 225 pixels, right? whilst maintaining the aspect ratio. Okay, so we right click and we go to image, then the first one will be like proc. So we click on proc, insert, so we like proc, no, like this. Okay, then we go to picture properties, then we go to appearance, and here it's very important, okay, because this is 225 pixels. So here we don't have to change anything. It's okay. Okay, then here also the same thing, but here will be like board. So it will be this. Okay, insert. Okay, board. Okay, as you can see, this image is very large. So we right click, then picture properties, we go to appearance, and in width, as they say, white. Okay, 255. Okay, and yeah, if you see, it's now okay. Then we have the last one, that is the water. So H will be below E. Okay, so here we go to picture, then water, insert. Okay, you have to like to do all of these. Okay, so you must not forget that. So water. Okay, so let's see if it's 255. Yeah, it is. So we can continue. Okay, and yeah. Next, we have in question 6, place in cell D the text processors. Okay, so cell D will be like the second column. Okay, uh, counted with this. Okay, but basically will be the third. Okay, uh, really. Okay, so text D processors. So I will like select this basically. All of these texts will be like style H2. Okay, so I select Control V, then select this. Okay, I go to click on H2. Okay, also here will be motherboards, but below the column, sorry, the cell D. Okay, then I go right click. Okay, like basically I don't need to right click, Control V. Then I choose the H2. Okay. Then the last one, it's water cooling systems, Control C, and here Control V, and again we change to H2. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, we can continue. Then in cell G, the text last edited by, and then we have to enter our name and a new line, center number and candidate number, and all the text must be in H as the style of H3. So we select this, okay, Control C, and in cell G, okay, will be below the where is the logo, okay, Control V, and will be H3 heading 3, okay. Then we have to enter our name in a new line. So I'm going to insert my name. Okay, it's done. We can continue, but we have like to put this in H3. So yeah, it's done. Then we have to add appropriate alternate text or images. So this is done, and then we have to attach the style sheet. Okay, for this web page. Then we have to save. Okay, so we go to format, CSS style, attach style sheet, browse, then we open. There it is. Okay, so yeah, it's done. I have to save it. Okay, I have to save, and yeah, then we can continue. We have to open the style sheet that we attached. So we go to open, then we open this style sheet, and yeah, it's here. I'm going to like to delete all of this. Okay, because we will going to create a new one. Basically, we will going to edit. So yeah. So they say all table borders might have a width of 0 and grid lines are separated. All cell spacing within the table is set to 20 pixels. The background color of the table is black. All tables are centered online. In the browser, there is no cell padding. So first, it's going to be about the table. Okay. So I go to Format, New Style, and yeah. Let's see about grid lines. So first, it's going to be like table, comma TD. Okay. Then they say it's a width of 0. Okay, so we go to position. Okay, 0. And let's see if it's this here or something about. Yeah, it's just the grid lines that we don't know. Okay, apply and out. Then now we are going to do about the table. Okay, so it's going to be like all cell spacing within the table is set to 20 pixels. Okay, so I will do table. Let's see, cell spacing. Okay, it's 20 pixels. Okay, then the background color of the table is black. So I go to background color. It's going to be black. Then all tables are central aligned in the browser. So I go to delete table. No, and position box maybe. Okay, so it's here. Right auto and left auto. Then there is no cell padding. Okay, apply. Okay, and yeah, it's done. Then we go next to the cells H1, H2, H3 with no red or blue components and have the font Sego print if it's not available or done. Maybe that's how sans serif. Okay, so basically the first one is the before doing the other ones H1, H2, and H3. Okay, it's done. So we're going to be our green color. Green can be like this. Okay. Then circle print. I'm going to just copy this. It's efficient. Okay. So didn't say anything about the homework, so I'm going like to delete these two types. Okay. And yeah, it's done. Okay. So I let's see if I forgot something. No, I didn't. So I will going to apply. Okay. Then I go to format, new style. Then I will set first the H1. Okay, H1. So H1 will be 36 points. Okay, so I have like to change 2 points. Don't forget. Okay, this is very important. Then H2. Okay, apply. Okay, to do the H2 new style. H2 will be 14. Okay, 14 points high and left aligned. Okay, so I go to block, text align, left as we say, apply. Okay, next will be H3 and we're going to be 12. So here 12 points, apply, then right align. So I go to block, text align, and right. Apply, okay, and yeah, basically we have done all of this. Then it says add your name, center number, and candidate number as a comment at the bottom of the style sheet. Okay, save the style sheet in your TGT folder. Take a screenshot of the content of your style sheet. So first we are going to do this. Okay, we are going to write here. So it's going to be like dash star. Okay, so they say like the candidate number, the center number. So it's going to be star and dash. Okay, then I save. Okay, it's saved. Then you have to save in the save as. Okay, we go to TGC, save. Okay, save. It's this. Take a screenshot of the contents of your style sheet. So I'm going to take the screenshot. Okay, and yeah, it's done. I will going to place here. Okay, it is the evidence 2. Oops, sorry. Evidence 2. Okay, mine is not very organized. My evidence documents. Okay, but in your exam you must organize. Okay, you can get points. Okay, uh, I don't know, but uh, no one knows, but you can. Okay. So this part it's okay, then display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address part is visible. So basically we have to attach this style sheet, okay? So it's attached as you can see, okay? And yeah. Then sorry, I forgot one thing, okay, the background image. Okay, yeah. So I have to go to my CSS and here I go to body. Okay, please correct it. Okay, body. I'm just going to do the new style. Okay, it's better. Okay, so go to body. Then I go to background image. It says the BG. Okay, BG. Okay, open, apply. Okay, and yeah, I'm going just to select this Control C and here Control V. Okay, I'm going and yeah, now it's done. I'm going to save it. Okay, now if we see it's okay. So I have to take the screenshot again. Okay, so basically I have to delete this. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, for this mistake. Okay, I need now to take again the screenshot and yeah. So I want to place it here and yeah, now it's okay. So we can continue and we have to display in the web page. So we go to file, preview in browser. Okay, so we have to edit the browser list. Okay, add Mm, just I like to save it. Okay, yeah. I go to my here. Okay, it's better. So I go. My name of my browser will be it is. Okay, so I have to. Uh, it's here. Okay. So it's here my web page. Okay, I'm going to zoom less, and I have to take a screenshot showing this. Okay. I'm going to take another one because I want to show all of these. Okay, like to make sure that it's on the browser. Okay, so I'm gonna like take all of this basically and going to place it in the evidence tree. And yeah, I'm going to zoom more. Okay, securely, and yeah. Is display the HTML source in your editor. Okay, then we have the evidence for take a copy of the HTML source and place in the evidence document. So after doing the evidence tree, we're going to like to here are going to write evidence for okay, and new line, and I'm going you go to your okay your web page, and here you click on code, and then you copy all of this. Okay, control C, and here in your evidence control V, and yeah, if you see it will appear all of this, and yeah, we can continue, and yeah, basically is just this. Okay, and yeah, this was my video about web page, so I hope that you enjoy. Give it thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and yes, take care of you. See you in the next video.